for the minute. Money face, man. Yeah, it's out of there. I know I usually... Let's get it, y'all. Let's go. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle, everybody. Keeping it moving and grooving like always, y'all. I'm on my way right now to Sam's Auto Parts in Fridley, Minnesota. You guys, I'm getting ready to go pick up some parts. So I got a Buick Century that you guys will be seeing today. The Buick Century needed some body parts. I'm not going to try to remember exactly what they need. I'll show y'all once we get them. But I did want to give you guys some updates, man. So the 2008 Audi A4, that thing is mechanically ready now, y'all. So what I need to do with that is I need to get that thing cleaned up and posted, basically. Brian did the oil change and he did a purge solenoid. So the part was cheap, the labor cheap. He actually put the purge solenoid in for free. All I had to do was pay for the oil change and the diagnostic. So that, I don't even know how much that was. We're just gonna put that on a different bill. Ended up bringing the Chrysler Pacifica from Chris to Brian's because Chris said, hey, you're gonna need this thing to get on the hoist because of those bushings or whatever. So Brian's knocking that out for me. He's actually gonna knock it out for half the price of his shop labor that he usually, but the actual labor that he gives me. So he's gonna cut the labor time in half for me on that one, doing me a solid because he doesn't want to see me go upside down on that car. So that's that. We got some cars sold, man. Make sure y'all, if y'all want like the updates for the cars that's being sold, go follow me on the Major Motors pages on Instagram or on Facebook. So Major Motors Automotive Group, you guys, you'll see the logo and all that stuff. Also, I put some update. I do update all the cars as well on the Chuck's Daily Hustle page as well on Instagram. So you guys can go check that out as well, man. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff going on. I'm pretty sure I'm missing a lot, like a lot of updates for y'all, man. We got a lot of cars. Oh, Chevy Malibu. We actually gonna be picking that up in a second as well, y'all. That thing, it ended up needing just a wheel bearing. So the wheel bearing on the, and I'm talking about the 2010 Chevy Malibu, it needed a wheel bearing. So we good there. My phone's ringing. Been getting hits like crazy. I posted it last night. It looks like we got, let's see, I got, dang, okay. So off of my business page, www.majormotorsauto.com, y'all, I got a notification somebody just called the business line for that car. Then I just got a messenger as well, no cap, y'all, right here, y'all. I just got that as well, y'all. So I got people hit me like crazy. I got like 3 people that want to see it between 4 and 5:30 p.m. So I'm trying to get these people out here early so I can just get done with my day, and then I can just basically put the blue faces in the left-hand pocket and then keep it moving and grooving, man. But now I talk y'all ear off. I want to get y'all parts. I want to get y'all cars. So I'll see y'all in a second. Okay, y'all. So I just made it to Chris's house. We got to make this pretty quick, y'all. Somebody just confirmed for that joint right there, the Malibu, man. So I'm gonna show you guys kind of, I'm gonna get to the Malibu in a second because we got enough time to rock with that. But gotta show y'all what we got for the Buick Century real fast here. We got the AC compressor. We got the mirror, of course, the driver's mirror right here. And then we also got this tail light over here for the Buick Century. So I'm dropping this off right now. I think everything cost me about $89. So that's good on parts. And then we do got like one mechanical issue, and that's why it's sitting out here. Let me show y'all this thing real quick. Hold on. I'm about to drop this dang tail light. That ain't gonna be good. Hold up. All right. Put this thing down real quick. Oh, dang. I hope I didn't break it, y'all. All right, I didn't. Good. All right. Anyways, here's the Buick Century right here, y'all. Hopefully y'all can see that pretty good. This thing, it has a security light on. So a lot of these the security in here go bad. Chris got to figure it out. I'm not mechanically inclined to figure that out. But here's the mirror that we're taking off. AC compressor on here makes a lot of noise. And that's the tail light where it's broken at. It's got a little, not a little, but it's got a scuff right here. Got it at a good deal. So once I do everything, I'll be able to make a profit on it. So I'm not tripping about that, y'all. Let me show y'all this Malibu real quick. Okay, y'all, so here she is, man. Just show y'all this little walk around real quick on the exterior for the, I don't even know if I put this on the vlog yet, but as y'all can see, man, she's pearl white. She a beauty. Does have a flaw like all older cars, and that's this piece right here where it's rusted through. Somebody put some touch-up paint on it. I already got some of my stuff up in there. As you can see, it's also a tear right there, which is common on these cars, but it's got that leather like suede type deal, and then you got the sunroof as well. So and then it's also got aftermarket Kenwood CD player in here, so let me show y'all that as well. Hold on. So that's that right there, y'all. Clean already, man. So this thing, I think it's got 147 on it. Let me see real quick. The oil was already clean and everything, so that's good. I'm gonna go check the tire pressure out before I show it, because I don't want to have any lights on if possible, you know what I mean? But it's a chance that it'll be like the TPMS sensor or whatever the case may be. Let me turn this volume down before they give your boy a copyright claim, which I don't need. Turn that down if they'll let me. Dang. All right, so got that down now. All right, so yeah, we're gonna I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna show y'all once we get onto the highway, see how it drives and all that good stuff. Right now it's hot as heck in here, so I need to air this joint out, man. See y'all in a second. Okay, y'all, so off tops, I'm not hearing that wheel bearing noise anymore, so that's great. I haven't got it up to speed yet, but that's what we're gonna do right now. See what she do. We up to 55, 60. I'm getting a little tire noise, but that ain't nothing. It's like minute, so you really can't even hear it. Let me see. Try to get over here, get it a little bit faster. All right, we up to 70. Yes, sir. 75. All right, we good, man. So, we're basically going to the office right now, y'all. I'm also gonna be picking up a car, bringing it back to Chris once I get done selling this joint. So we're gonna stay tuned for that, most definitely. But I did have to say this, y'all. Had to make this like a public service announcement for everybody. 100%, man, I respect everybody's input as far as like what you guys see in, you know, my day-to-day, like the problems you may see that I face. And then you may feel like you have a solution for that. But there's this big, I guess there's a lot of people that keeps on asking me like, oh, well, or putting on the comments, like, why don't you do the work yourself and things like that. You guys, for the most part, I'm by myself, right? You guys, I just picked up 7 cars, right? You think I got time to go pick up the cars, pick them up, fix them, just to make an extra $100, $200? No. I would probably, basically, I would cut, like, I feel like I would cut my production down. Like, I would probably go from selling 3 to 4 cars a week to probably 1 to 2. So that, you know, $200. I don't even think I even, for the most part, even paid $200 per car to get things fixed. But maybe, let's just say, average of $200. But no, that doesn't make sense to me, y'all. I'm a one-man army for the most part. So, you know, and then also I got my son, man. I got my son full time. So, you know, I'm basically a whole mama over here. You know what I'm saying? So, I gotta, you know, it's a lot on my plate, man. A lot of stuff y'all don't see on behind camera, you know, behind closed doors. So, you know, I'm moving and grooving as best as I can. Getting y'all this content, man. Creating this content is big in itself. Like, y'all may think that this stuff is easy. Like, this is just my day-to-day, whatever. Like, I recreate. There's so many videos that I've made that I recreate, or I'll be like, oh, that's trash, and I'll delete it and then restart over because I'm trying to get y'all some better content. You know what I mean? So, like, I'm doing a lot, you know what I mean? So I can't do it all. I can't be the mechanic. I can't be the detail guy, the transport guy, plus be the guy that, you know, goes to the DMV and gets all that done, and you know, all of that stuff, man. So I'm doing the best I can. We got some traffic over here, man, so I'm gonna get to it. All right, y'all, just made it to storage, and I'm showing y'all some cars, man. So I'm picking up this Town and Country right now, y'all. This thing actually got detailed from one of my well-kept secrets. Won't be telling y'all about that guy, no. But another detail guy I got, man, he took care of this, got all that dog hair out of this car. I don't even know if I made a vlog. I know I started filming it, but I don't know if I actually put it out. But this thing was disgusting. It's got a valve cover gasket leak that is terrible. So I'm bringing this to Chris, y'all. I'm trying to get that done for sure. Show y'all kind of what it looks like here. Got rust kind of everywhere. So I'm just going to hit the doors, get that looking better. And then we're going to get that to somebody that's going to be able to, you know, appreciate it. So these vans are, you know, I think they're good investments, if you ask me. And I know I'm contradicting myself. I am contradicting myself. The reason why, so I'm contradicting myself because I was so mad one day that I said I ain't messing with them older cars. But if you do buy right, man, anything is a good investment. But I bought wrong, and that was on this one. This was the one that was making me mad. So I still haven't posted this one, y'all. I don't even think I want to post it, to be honest. I really want to get it in a more, like, I want to get it better. So I just want to just make sure that it's going to be okay. I know some of you guys will sell it the way it is, especially you guys being dealers and stuff. But like the consumers that watch this, man, they appreciate, or y'all appreciate, when I actually put like a lot of work into these cars. And at the end of the day, man, it ends up paying off in the long run anyway, just because I'm getting more repeat customers and they're sending people my way. So I know there's some tedious stuff that we got to knock out with this van, but you know, it is what it is. I'm showing y'all the interior on this one. It could use a cleaning. But we got to get that that sound fixed, man. It's not misfiring, it's just got that weird sound. So we're gonna figure it out, man. I'm gonna just play it by ear, and we'll figure it out. But for now, we're gonna hop in this van, y'all, and then we're gonna get on the road, man. Let's get it. All right, y'all, show y'all how this thing roll real fast. 244,000 miles, just hit it, y'all, right there. But this thing rolls. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. Hey, runner, you know what I'm saying? So this, and what's crazy is this one drives 10 times better than that one. That one's got the dang everything is loaded. It has got 202 on it. This one's got 244,000 miles, running like a champ, man. So like I said, man, we're gonna get this valve cover gasket leak fixed for whoever bought this car, man, and then we're gonna get it going. But I'm on my way to the office right now, y'all. I got 2 more people that want to come out and look at, actually 3 more people, man. So I got to get this thing sold, man. I'm trying to get it done today. That way we got this weekend where we just chilling unless some cars get done that need to go online. But let's get it. So y'all, we got a little problem. We got 2 people that are coming right now at the same time. One lady is actually scheduled to be here. The other lady decided that she was going to take it upon herself and head on her way out here, man. So I let her know that basically you might be coming out here for no reason. So we'll see what she says, man. Yeah. So I would hope that the person that's scheduled for the actual 5:30, I hope they buy it, because we don't want to get this person, you know, mad, and then, you know, we got the 5:30 coming and not buying it. Then it kind of just makes both deals fall apart, of course. So we'll just see what happened, y'all. Keep y'all updated. I'm trying to get this money face, man, because I need some money in my left hand pocket like always, man. But see y'all in a second. Wait a minute. Money face, man. Yeah, it's out of there. I know I usually don't show y'all blue faces, but I decided to do that anyway, just for you guys today, man. Only time I'm ever gonna do it. Okay? It's out of there. It's sold. They didn't. Well, they tried to haggle on the price, but I told them no. But I ended up giving them $100 off because the dang auto start didn't work. So it's all good, man. The Malibu was out of there, man. She was a beauty. But what's even more beautiful is that I got profit on the business, man. So I'm really, really happy about this, man. I'm getting ready right now to basically go swap this van out with my van so I can take mine home. And yes, for the people that don't know, my real car, y'all, is a minivan. I got an 09 Dodge Grand Caravan that I love to death, man. I really do. It makes me money. I get to keep all my stuff in there, and I'm cool with that. I think that's the only car that I won't ever sell, to be honest with y'all. But anyways, man, I got to do that. I got to run to the bank so I can deposit these funds, man, and then I'm gonna get my weekend started, man. So this video is actually going to drop, I believe, on Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, y'all. Happy Mother's Day to the people, to you guys' wives and your mothers and all that stuff, man. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. I will see you on the next video, y'all. I'm out. Peace.